Good evening, guys. Today we're going to show you the excellent craftsmanship of Bitmain, the numero uno in ASIC field manufacturing, right? In the form of their flagship product, that was their flagship product, even at the end of 2019 and as long as about May 2020 when they launched S19. So this is an S17 Plus hashboard. There are 65 ASICs here. But you're wondering what is this, right? Well, that is the quality of their manufacturing, right? Actually, there used to be a heatsink here. I have it. Let me show you this, right? So after it mined for about a month, this thing came off. So you can see there is a chip without the heatsink. I don't know whether you can see the soldering there on the chip. And you can also see the soldering for the heatsink, right? So what's it? Like there are 65 chips, only one heatsink fell off. The thing is, all of them are in series. So if you lose one of them, the computer shuts it off to protect the chip because it doesn't detect a heatsink on that. Right? The chip gets hot; it cannot dissipate heat, and then it shuts down the whole chain. So you have now a 2,500 bucks worth of toy or a brick that you can't do anything with. All right. That's just one board, right? So typically S17 Plus comes with three such boards. I'll show you another. By the way, this one, just so that you understand, this one had the heatsink had fallen off from its 64th chip. How do I know? Uh, sorry, this is the first 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it comes down 5 to 10. That way, it ends up at 65 here, right? So the heatsink has fallen off from the chip before it. So that is the 64th chip, correct? This I'm just showing these so that you don't think that I am showing you the same board again and again. All right. Let's focus on the next board. So this guys, our second board, again has a chip down. Sorry, a heatsink down, right? A chip down because the chip has lost its heatsink, so it is being kicked out. So so this is basically the 45th chip. Again, how do I know? I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 10, 15, 20. It ends up here at 65. Sorry, here at 65. So we are so 5, 10, 15, right? So last three rows constitute the last 15 chips. So this one was just before that. So it is the 45th chip. Sorry, it is the 50th chip. I'm sorry. 50 and then you have 15 more, right, to go to 65. So it used to be here. All right. So what? As I've told you, S17 Plus has three boards. Two boards down, one can work, right? This is the third board. But you'll tell me that all the heatsinks are okay here. None of them are down. So all chips should be working, but they don't. You know why? Because this one is a capacitor down. So let me show you. This capacitor, sorry, let me do it this way that so that you can understand. This capacitor, do you see the two gaps there? this capacitor was supposed to be here. Like I can't put it exactly in the looking. It's like looking at the mirror, right? I'm not being able to put it at exact space, but it was here. But now it has come off, right? You say, so what? It's just a capacitor. Well, you can easily attach it. Yeah, but you're probably thinking about a capacitor that has legs which pierce through the board, right? It's not so. You see? So you have to attach it with these small legs exactly in the same alignment here. Not a very easy job. Maybe possible, but not a very easy job. So ultimately, what we have at the end of the day, 3 hashboards down, meaning an entire S17 down. So all of you that are thinking about buying an S17, please watch this video and then think about whether it is worth buying them. All right. You might also think that, okay, what is that? Right? I'll send it for repair. Well, you know who can repair it in the world? I mean, assuming you are not in China or Hong Kong or Taiwan, the people that can repair it owns hundreds of these themselves, right? At least a lot of these themselves. And all of them are trying to repair their own board, like me. So they don't have any capacity to accept your board for repair. So I hope if you are planning to buy an S17 Plus, this video was really helpful to you. And if you are a fortunate owner of S17 Plus like me, then you are my company, you're in the same boat. You know? Anyway, if you like this video, I'll post another video about how to fix it, what are the tools I ordered. I tried to fix it. Last time I think I welded was in my lab when I was doing the graduation, right? After that, I want to only in software or finance or something like that. But I have to go back to my graduation and then again do it. I hope I remember some of it. And I'll try to post the videos of me trying to do it now when my son is going to the college now for graduation. And I'm sure that is going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, if you like it, please hit like and subscribe. And I'll show you the tools, and I'll show you. I'll kind of try to, I'll try to document my journey to conquer this great workmanship of Bitmain. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.